So I feel like I've embodied or encompassed every facet of sound, not just from a linguistic perspective or for physics perspective, but from a music perspective, because the physics of sound has absolutely nothing to do with the musical aspect of sound, because the musical aspect of sound deals with chromatic scales, diatonic scales, pentatonic scales, chord construction, you know, how chords are constructed. You know, and to me, that's intriguing. You know, a major chord, a minor, a diminished, and augmented, a sus4, a sus2. Why a sus chord has that, and a sus2 has this lucid, dreamlike, astral feel to it, you know, and one of my infatuation was psychophysics, you know, the correlation between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And so as I got into music, so I'm not a musician in the strictest sense, I'm a research scientist who got into music to understand music from another perspective, another way of articulation. Music is a very distinct articulation of sound. Linguistics is sound articulated